I'm going to show you how to add your own custom logo to your YouTube videos, which is very important because you got a lot of people downloading other people's YouTube videos and re-uploading them as their own. So this is a good way to sort of, protect your videos. Okay, shout out to youtube.com/Klipparts for posting a video on this. I was Googling like crazy trying to find out how to do this, and I came across Klipparts' video. If you want to see the original video to this, there's gonna be a link in the description right over there to the right. Now, my video is a response to that video because there's a few things that I've learned that Klipparts didn't put in the video, so you're gonna get it in this video here. Alright? Alright, now check this out. Now you're gonna click the link in the description to get the XML code. Once you get that code, you're gonna copy it and you're gonna open up Notepad, paste it into Notepad, file, save as my logo .xml. Save as type all files, and you can save. Now of course I already have the file here, so they asked me to, okay, now you close Notepad, and now this is the file here. Now once you create this file, you're going to save this file and your .gif or your .png file or JPEG or whatever you want to use in the folder add-on TFX. Go to your C drive and you're going to go to Program Files. Hold on a second, let me make this bigger. Okay, here we go. Now you're going to go to Movie Maker, Shared, go to your Shared folder, and you're going to see a folder right here called Add-on TFX. Now if you don't have this folder here, you got to create one. And you're going to spell it with a capital A, D, D, capital O, N, capital TFX. Now, once you create that folder, this is where you're going to put the XML code. Right? Now, you're going to go to Windows Movie Maker. Right? I'm going to go to Make Titles or Credits. Click on that. Title on the selected clip. Change the title animation. Okay, now when you open that up, you're going to see this right here called @MyLogo, which puts my logo.gif in bottom right corner. But I'm not using .gif, I'm using .png. When you do that, this is how it looks. See how it looks all blurry and like jumbled up? Well, I had to do some research on my own, and I found out how to change that. Watch this. Pow, see that? See how it comes out big like that and clear? Well, you don't have to make it that big, but that's just what I did. And now I've changed the code, and I learned how to put it here in the lower left corner, right? The lower right corner, as you can see. Pow. And then I learned how to put it in the upper left. See that? And the upper right. There will be a link in the description to all 4 of these codes, so you can use each and every one of them to put your logo wherever you want to put it. So and that's basically how I did that. Now to add this logo to your video, we're going to use this one that I use. Right? You click edit text. You're going to press the space bar one time, that's it. Click done. Add title to movie and bam, there it is. It's in your movie. See that? Now this is the original XML code that I got from Klipparts video. Now in the original code it says add my logo over here in between these two quotation marks, and it says puts my logo.gif in bottom right corner in between these two quotation marks right over here. See that? Okay. And over here it says add on TFX / my logo.gif. This is all in the original code. In the original code, these numbers look like this. Now what I did was I edited this code to my own preferences, like this. Okay, now what I did to the original code was I changed this part here to upper left, and I changed this part here to put my logo.png in upper left corner, and I changed the file path add on TFX / my logo.png right there. Now here's the part that Klipart doesn't show you, that I had to figure out on my own with a little bit of Googling. See this thing here, these numbers here, these are the key to what you need. Now these first two numbers are going to determine the position. When you change them to 0.00 and 0.00, this is going to put the logo in the upper left hand corner of the screen. That's how you get the upper left. Right? Okay, and that's the first. Now these other two numbers here, these change the size, the length and width of your logo, depending on how big the original length and width is. Now there will be a link in the description to all four of these codes, so you can try your your logo in different positions and using different sizes by changing those numbers. Alright, thank you very much for watching my video. Now in part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you how to add an animated logo to your videos. And of course, this is all using Windows Movie Maker.